Okay folks, just taking delivery of this. It's the Avant 220. This is second hand. I think I got a real bargain. £8,500 plus VAT, and it had 20 hours on it, which is basically nothing. There's some stuff I really like about it, and there's a couple of things I'm not so keen on. I'll quickly take you through what they are. I'm going to assume you know what a loader is, so this won't be a detailed review, but what have we got? The transmission is hydrostatic, so that means you've got a forward and a backwards pedal. Gear stick type control for the front accessories, and it's got a rear steer, so it will steer from the back. At the front we've got the ports here for the hydraulics, for the accessories you buy, so you could put a digger arm on the front if you wanted. That would plug into that. Fuel tank is good, it's big, it takes around 30 litres, so that lasts you a long time. So what are the really good points about it? Well, it's very easy to use, very nifty to get around, quick, and absolutely loads of accessories. It's a really quick change as well. I've got the forks here, and I also bought a bucket. What I'm primarily using it for is for getting stuff around my site. I just need to lift block from one place to another, and for that type of thing, it's good. Now there's a couple of things I just would be mindful of. They're not bad things, but they're worth thinking about. Let's have a look at those now. That's 9 blocks from there, 22 kilograms each, so really we're up to about 200 kilos. It claims to have a far higher lift height, and even this is going to have the load of rocking. So as you can see, it's struggling a little bit on the weight. I mean, there's no way you're going to get 350 kilos. I'm going to do a quick change here from the forks to the bucket, just to show you the other thing I'm not so pleased about. But that said, really easy to swap them over. There's 2 little clips there at the front. Similarly, go in, click into the bucket, and well, like most of these diggers and loaders, really pretty easy. And once it's there, you just go in, flip the switches over. Now, I've got the bucket on. What would you want to use the bucket for? Well, digging, lifting, that sort of stuff. Now, the wheels are spinning a bit, and by the way, this is not really compacted earth, it's just a pile of earth. Here's the problem. I'm lifting up, but I can't get any more tilt on the bucket towards me. So the problem is you can never get a full bucket load. There's a bit of me that's wondering if maybe I'm doing something wrong. Another thing I do like is the lift height as advertised. So for me, when I start to get the heights up in the build, that's going to do me fine. So let's just quickly conclude then. It looks great. It's very handy. It's perfect for what I want to do. However, if you think you're going to be doing industrial level digging, or if you think you want to be lifting anything above about 200 kilograms, it's probably not for you. You best be going for something like the 400 series, but they are a lot more money. All in all, I'm giving it a 9 out of 10. Well, as you might have seen, I'm working on my own project and I've been filming it. It's a DIY getting completely out of its depth, and it includes buying the Avant 220. I'd love it if you watched the video and maybe subscribe to Alex Builds. Hope to see you soon.